While some people are sleeping peacefully in their homes, others are on the streets fighting silently for survival. This young girl should be in a classroom chasing her dreams, not sitting by the roadside exhausted, sleeping beside the very thing she sells just to survive another day. Yet, even in this painful condition, she still refused to give up. Life will test you, people will disappoint you, situations will break you emotionally, but never let hardship convince you to stop fighting for your future. Sometimes the strongest people are not the ones making noise on social media. They are the ones suffering quietly while still pushing every single day. No matter how hard life gets, keep going. Your current situation is not your final destination. One day, the same struggle people ignored will become the story that inspires millions. Stay tuned and keep following the Bossa Media page for more live and exclusive updates. Live updates from our community watch.